let's watch the video first. So I got this on Amazon, and let's try out, see if it actually does what the video says. So I got the several stuff here, and then we've got garlic, chilies, and onions, and we also got some pork as well. And let's try the garlic out first. Well, from this, it's really easy to pull because it doesn't feel like there's anything to stop it. So let's pour this out. And you can see like the garlic actually well minced, like it says on the video. It's a really small chunk, but it's not like the pressed garlic, which actually is like pressed into like mush. Now let's try the onions out. Oops. So from what I can see, the onions are also well minced as well, but there's some like part that's like still chunks. I don't know if that can show on the cameras or not, but overall it's still really good. Let's try out the chilies. I think it's too big in there. Well, it seems that I could not actually blend it. It might be because the chili is too big. So let's see if I break that into smaller pieces. See if that works. Yeah, just too big. So we need to make it into smaller pieces. I'm not gonna show this one because it's just the same. It's like well minced, but So even though it's good with the vegetables, but you still want to know, see if that can actually well blend it with the pork or not. So let's try out. I'm not going to put too much in here just in case it doesn't blend. Oh. Stuck it up like that. Right. Let's see. Yeah, look, this minced pork is like, it actually is like really well minced. Overall, this product is really good, but the two things that you need to be careful at, obviously the blade, because it's really sharp, and then also the top part. When you're washing it, after you finish, give it a few good shake so the water can come out. Otherwise you just get caught in the stream, and next time when you use it, the water will start coming out through the top. But overall, it is a really good product and definitely recommend it. If you like the video, it would be really appreciated if you hit the subscribe button. And if there's anything you want to see me to try out, just leave the comment down below. And thank you for watching.